Welcome. If you've ever missed an important message on Snapchat because you forgot to open it, you're definitely not alone. The good news is Snapchat has a built-in feature that can remind you about unopened snaps or chats so you never lose track again. Let's walk through how to turn this on. It only takes a minute. First, go ahead and open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your personal profile page where all your account settings live. Next, in the top right corner of your profile screen, you'll see a small gear icon. Tap on that to open your settings menu. This is where you can control everything from privacy to notifications. Now scroll down a bit until you find the notifications option. Tap on it to open your notification settings. This section is really important because it lets you decide what Snapchat alerts you about. Once you're inside notifications, look for the option labeled Message Reminders. This is the feature that sends you alerts if you have unopened snaps or chats waiting. Simply check or enable this option.